This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB and Redbus.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
This show is called Trips Don't Lie, and it's a show we do once in a while because we want to also once in a while get you closer to the places that are unique and also share experiences of those who are working with MMT, who have been traveling for quite a bit and are also traveling places through MMT, discovering places, exploring new regions. It's called Trips Don't Lie, once again on your favorite radio channel. That's Go MMT Radio, Go Trippers. My guest today is Farah Naz. She's based out of Siliguri, just 3 months since she's moved there, and she's in the hotel supply department. At this point in time, she's actually sitting at a hotel. She's here for a meeting and chatting up with me. My name is Annie, your host. Farah, so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie.
आपको सिलीगुड़ी आए हुए बस 3 ही महीने हुए हैं. आप जहाँ से हैं वो है उड़ीसा. What is the difference between these two places you're finding in these 3 months? Any major differences?
So, basically, I am from Odisha. So, I live in I'm from a very small city called Rajgangpur.
Nice.
Which is nearby to Rourkela.
Oh.
So, most of the people know Rourkela, but they don't know about Rajgangpur actually.
Yeah.
So I'm from Rajgangpur, so it's a small city. Due to work, I used to live in Bhubaneswar earlier, my past company where I was working there. Bhubaneswar is it's like well developed, like very much like chaos also. पहले जो Bhubaneswar था, अब वो नहीं है. मतलब बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं. There are a lot of companies opening there. Most of the time, like in Siliguri, I can find that there are some places also which are quiet. So I am pretty close to nature here. And Bhubaneswar is little like a city life, and here
Correct.
I can feel both city and village life. So that is the major difference I can find.
ये live, alive, ये live, alive, क्या है ये live, alive. जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीकेंड टीम ने कहा alive, alive. हेल पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा alive, alive. अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई. डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई. alive, alive, ये live, alive, क्या है ये live, alive. जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू alive, alive. बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है alive, alive. हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम. Alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो, it's prime. Alive, alive, ये live, alive, क्या है ये live, alive. सिर्फ We Care Fun members के लिए. Yeah, yeah.
We have launched the OPD services exclusively for We Care Fund members. Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
On the show with Farah Naz, Hotel Supply is her department and she's based out of Siliguri. Tell me, when you say Farah, beautiful or closer to nature, it's the hills and the mountains that you're surrounded by. What is it that you're surrounded by?
More of like mountains. There is a lot of tea cultivation done here.
Yeah. And what is the weather there like right now?
Right now, it's pretty not that hot. It will get hot after like 1 month. I mean around I think 40 degrees, something like that.
Ooh, 40 is bad for every other city. तो मुझे लगता है लोगों को तो सिलीगुड़ी विजिट करना ही चाहिए इस वक्त, है ना?
Like people can come.
Okay, we're going to talk more about Siliguri on the other side, but right now I have a quick rapid fire round for you. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
The rapid fire round.
What are 3 words that you can use to describe yourself in?
So I would say I'm gentle.
Uh-huh.
That would be first word for me.
Uh-huh.
And second would be fun-loving.
Good.
Funny. And third would be I'm foodie.
Do you also cook yourself?
Yes.
And so what is the dish that you make the best so far?
I can make a very good biryani, which people will love to have.
क्या बात है? What is something that you're passionate about that not many people know of?
I love to do adventure, like sports and all. I've done bungee jumping also because people think I cannot do like adventure stuff and all.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
So I think I would love to fly. I have past experience in working in aviation industry also.
क्या बात है? Okay, what's the most beautiful place in all the places that you have visited?
So I can say that recently I visited Tosh. That's a very, very beautiful, calm, very nice place. If you know Kasol, कसौल से 20 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे तोश इज अ विलेज एक्चुअली.
फरा के पास इतनी सारी कहानियां हैं ट्रैवल को लेकर, ये तो बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी. इफ यू कुड ट्रेड लाइव्स विद समवन फॉर अ डे, हु वुड इट बी?
आई थिंक सेलेना गोमेज.
Oh, Selena Gomez, very good. Okay, with that, we've come to the end of the rapid fire round for now.
Make My Trip brings you Town Hall Meet 2025. Gear up for a spectacular celebration as we mark 25 glorious years. THM 25 is coming in a different avatar. A day to celebrate our journey, achievements, and the incredible future ahead. Tuesday, April 1st, 2025, Gurgaon.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
On the show today called Trips Don't Lie with Farah Naz, होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, सिलीगुड़ी में बेस्ड हैं. तोश के बारे में बात करना है फरा. तोश आप कह रही है कसौल के पास है, 20 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है, तो ये एक नई जगह है जो आपने एक्सप्लोर किया है, तो कुछ बताइए तोश के बारे में.
Tosh is very well known for its stunning scenery and peaceful atmosphere, and you will find a lot of hippie culture also there. Tosh is kind of a village, एक छोटा सा हिमाचल प्रदेश का वो village kind of a place है जो ज्यादा explored नहीं है. Most of the people जो उस एरिया पे जाते हैं basically वो लोग मनाली या फिर कसौल जाएंगे, but बहुत सारे लोगों को तोश के बारे में नहीं पता है.
और उस विलेज में रहने की जगह मिल जाती है?
हाँ, नॉर्मली मिल जाती है. होटल्स है वहाँ पे. आप जैसे ही नीचे जाओगे वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे लोग जो आपका सामान ऊपर तक लेके जा सकते हैं. काफी ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा आपको चल के, एंड वो माइंड सेट करके जाना है कि यू कैन हाइक अप एंड देन उसके बाद में यू कैन एंजॉय द प्लेस देयर. तो फूड इज ऑल्सो गुड देयर. तोश जाने के बाद में देयर इज अ प्लेस, झरने वगैरह रहते हैं तो वहाँ पे ट्रैक करके वहाँ पे भी जा सकते हैं. देन यू कैन ट्रैक टू खीर गंगा ऑल्सो. बहुत एडवेंचर होने वाला है. मतलब अगर आप स्टार्ट करोगे यू विल लाइक एंड अप विद लॉट ऑफ एडवेंचर देयर. Every part of it is like you can just explore and it's like a never ending.
तोश को तो मैं मार्क करके रख रही हूँ अपने बकेट लिस्ट में, जरूर कभी न कभी जाऊंगी.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi, my name is Pradyuman Yadav from Technology Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hi, this is Virendra Sharma from MyBiz Department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hi, myself Abhishek Roy. I'm from the Supply Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hi, this is Arushi Shrivastava from the Hotel Supply Department and you're listening to the Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
On the show Trips Don't Lie with Farah Naz, who's in the Hotel Supply Department based out of Siliguri. तो Farah, आप जो एडवेंचर्स करती है बंजी जंपिंग, ये आपने कहाँ किया था?
ये तो मैंने मनाली पे ही किया था. बहुत मन था कि आई हैव टू डू सम एडवेंचर. कर ही लिया. वो मेरा बकेट लिस्ट वाला मैंने खत्म कर ही दिया. मेरा डर बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया. मन के अंदर से जो डर था, आई फेल्ट सो फ्री.
तो इसके अलावा क्या आपने पैराग्लाइडिंग या फिर टैंडम जंप, स्काई डाइविंग, ये सब चीजें भी ट्राई की हैं आपने कभी, या करने के लिए मतलब आपका इरादा बन चुका है, बकेट लिस्ट पर है?
I've done paragliding in Goa.
Nice.
Sailing also. Skydiving is in my bucket list. But again उसके लिए भी थोड़ा सा अभी confidence बढ़ाना होगा.
यस, जितनी जल्दी हो सके आपका ये बकेट लिस्ट पर से टिक ऑफ हो जाए, यही उम्मीद करती हूँ. द लास्ट सेगमेंट, नेवर हैव आई एवर. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever fallen asleep at work.
Never.
Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No, I haven't done this.
Never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office fridge.
That I have done once, I guess.
Acha.
No, obviously.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
I've done that. That's quite normal.
Never have I ever met a celebrity.
I have met a celebrity. Yes.
कौन था?
Salman Khan.
क्या बात है? I'm sure you had a good experience.
I am a fan of Salman at that particular point of time. Nice feeling.
Oh, you got his autograph and all? या selfie वगैरह click कर पाया?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैं बहुत ज्यादा घबरा गई थी. I cannot do this. I had a selfie with Hema Malini.
Nice. Never have I ever read an entire book in a day.
Never.
Never have I ever gone to a party I wasn't invited to.
I've done this.
और मजा बड़ा आया होगा. Oh,
बहुत मजा आया.
Never have I ever seen a ghost.
No. I'll literally faint if I ever see. I cannot imagine myself in that position.
Never have I ever broken a bone.
I've done that.
Huh?
So it was by accident actually. I broke my brother's
Hi, bichara.
by mistake.
And how long did it take to recover?
Around like 2 months, I guess.
ऐसा खुद का नहीं, किसी और का तो आपने कर ही लिया है मतलब. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
No.
Oh, and last question. Never have I ever traveled to a foreign country.
I have never.
Okay.
But that's on my bucket list again.
Yeah. What place would you want to go to first?
I want to experience the skydiving. Just for that reason, I want to go to Dubai first.
And I'm wishing that you do go there soon, maybe even this year. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking to you, Farah.
Thank you so much, Annie. Conversation was so good. I really loved it.
Thank you so much, and wishing you all the very best. Not only success at work, but success in ticking off places and activities off your bucket list. So have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Annie.
एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. हुआ अगर आप 33 के तो जल्दी करवा लो अपना चेकअप, ये जरूरी है. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर और कोलेस्ट्रॉल सब कुछ चेक करवा लो. ये है प्रोटोकॉल, डॉक्टर से मिलो, अपनी रिपोर्ट लो. हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल अपनाओ और फिट रहो. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. एक्सरसाइज करो, हेल्थी खाना खाओ, स्ट्रेस को दूर भगाओ और खुश रहो. रेगुलर चेकअप से बीमारियों को रोको, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, ये याद रखो. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. कराना है.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO, and Redbus.